The great thing about the Nest doorbell is you can answer it more or less anywhere. You can answer it while you're out hiking in the woods, or you can be in a cable car in South Tyrol. You could also answer the front door while on the back of a scooter eating a pear, but to be honest with you, I wouldn't recommend it. Or while you're walking through the Dolomites. So when you purchase the Nest doorbell, this is what is going to turn up through the front door. This is exactly what you will get. It's a very neat little box, and inside this is what you're presented with. So the first piece is the Nest doorbell. This is the bit that will go on the outside of the house, and it feels very well made. It's small, but it feels quite heavy. It's quite a substantial bit of kit. It feels very, very well made, quite robust. And moving inside the box, here we've got some sort of I don't know, we've got some sort of piece there. I've got a fit, and I'm guessing in here is some fixings as well. And I'm guessing those are the back mounting plates for the Nest doorbell. So that's it, that's all we've got. However, the proof is in the pudding, as they say. So let's fit this and let's actually see in real life what it's like to install and how good it is. Before I go to fitting it, I've just opened this little box up just to see what was in it. And it's a nice little kit actually. It comes with a masonry drill bit, the 2 wall plugs, screws. It comes with all the bits that you need. And I think it just goes a long way to show that manufacturers are really, they're putting an effort into trying to think how to help the installer as much as possible. It's just a nice touch, I thought. Somebody at Nest was thinking. I'd say that's a good effort so far. Okay, so the wiring is all in. We've put the new Nest module in and everything is now done. It's up, ready to go. So this is what we've got now. So that's the existing doorbell there. That's the little Nest module that we had to wire into the doorbell. And it's quite simple to wire in, and it's literally just got the 2 push connectors there. Job done. It's a nice straightforward installation. It's not complex at all. On a personal note, I would probably say this isn't really, like I was saying earlier, not really designed for DIY installation. Personally, I don't think it is, because you've got to gauge what size the transformer is and that sort of stuff. And it's just, I'd go with Nest on it and say that it's more of a professional install job only. But for installation for professionals, once you've done it once, you've done all of them. It's not difficult to do at all. So that's the end result. That's the outdoor unit fitted. It has got a little hinged bracket if you want to mount it on an angle, or you can have it flat against the wall. I've chosen to have it on an angle here because it's close to the front door. But that's the end result there. So all we've got to do now is hook it up to the Wi-Fi in the house and then connect it to our phone, and that's it, job done. So now that I've fitted this product, what are my final closing thoughts on it? Well, I like the build quality of it. I think it's superb. As soon as you take it out of the box, it has a really good feel to it, a good quality. Fitting it is pretty straightforward. If you're a professional, it's no drama at all. And I think the thing I like best about it is it's not a gimmick. It actually, it has a genuine place in the market. It provides a solution to a problem which we have. So I think you've done well, Nest. Well done.